In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get gold key and gold chest in Geometry Dash in 2026. If you are trying to unlock the gold chest, the process is very simple, but it is also very limited. At the moment, this method is the only available way to get a gold key, so you will need to follow these steps exactly. Start by opening Geometry Dash and going to the main screen. Once you are there, look over to the right side of the screen. You will see an icon there that gives you access to more game options and special features. Tap or click on that icon to open the menu. After that, go into the Event section. This is the area you need for this method, because the gold key comes from a reward connected to the event system. Once you open the Event section, take a moment to check what task, mission, or objective is currently available. Your goal here is to complete the event requirement that is being shown. Finish the event objective completely. Make sure you complete everything the event asks for, because partial progress will not give you the reward you need. When the event is fully completed, the game will give you a bonus chest as your reward. Open that bonus chest once you receive it. Inside that chest, you will get a gold key. This gold key is what you need in order to access the gold chest. So the important part of the process is not finding the chest first. The real requirement is getting the key from the event reward chest. Once you have the gold key, you can then use it for the gold chest. If you were searching for other methods, hidden tricks, or faster shortcuts, there are none available right now based on this method. The event reward chest is the only way to get the gold key, and without that key you will not be able to open the gold chest. So to keep it simple, open the icon on the right side of the main screen, go to the Event section, complete the event objective, claim the bonus chest, and get the gold key from inside it. After that, you can use the key for the gold chest. That covers everything you need to know.